Dogs teach humans by example, but only if you watch with intention. Savvy dog owners can easily tell you everything they have learned from their dog. It can be an exhaustive list, and the only roadblock is your ability to purposely slow down and watch, and you'll be the one who benefits. Dogs reveal their love and sweet affection every time you walk through the door. And it makes you feel so important. Showing unconstrained love regularly toward those you love would be a very rare gift. Dogs have no hidden motives. They are 100% honest in everything they do. Oh, it looks like Kaya's being extremely honest right now. The timing couldn't be worse, could it? I'll be right back. Let me just pop out for a second. Research shows friendship is a wonderful antidepressant and cures loneliness. Dogs live in the moment. They're not burdened about concern for tomorrow. They thoroughly enjoy simple pleasures. Finding enjoyment in simple pleasures creates calmness and temporarily releases you from the burdens of your hectic schedule. Helping someone with kindness and acceptance will grant a greater reward for you than those you help. Dogs care and entertain when you're down. Now, I want to show you how Kaya comforted me this past week. I don't look too good, I know. I began to shuffle through TV channels and reading a book and answering texts from friends. But after a few hours of this, it was about that time that Paul opened the bedroom door. Kaya likes to know where I am. After looking all over the house while the door was shut, she finally found me right here. She jumped up in the bed and started making sure I was okay. She actually made my day by just being by my side and keeping me entertained with her sweet presence. We all know exercise improves your heart health, burns calories, and provides relaxation afterwards. Science proves a dog's paws and mouth expose us to bacteria, which helps boost our immune system. When a dog deals with discomfort and disappointments, they cope without complaint. Can you imagine how adopting this practice can greatly improve relationships? You will be an example of a positive attitude, saving the life of the dog you rescue and freeing a spot for the next dog who takes that kennel in the shelter saves 2 lives. And the self-satisfaction warms you as you understand the gratitude of your rescued dog. God gave us the gift of dogs, and they have become our most personal best friends through life. They are undeniably loyal, honest, fun-loving, silly, and great friends. And they improve your health. So does learning from your dog make your life better? I'm asking you to share your answer in the comments below. I'd love to hear something your dog has taught you. And I read every comment. If you have found value from this video, please subscribe below and give me a thumbs up. And Kaya and I will see you next time.